nhom ra ngày bà rừng te pe phèn máu về lịch tầng lơ lịch tầng cao hay cái tham hay rồi miền châu chị hay rồi bàn đây tên mà dùng bỏ phèn bỏ rang bàn đây.
Their house, when it rains, it's leaking and it's flooding. And every time it rains, they stay up all night. And mostly there is a lot of dangerous insects coming to their house and bite all the children. And mostly the children is getting sick. Come to look at their house together here. Here is their house. It is very small for 7 children living, and this is their kitchen, and this is where they sleep. Only one bed, and all the children is sleeping here. And over there is all hole, a lot of small hole. When it's rain, it just like pour down here, and they cannot sleep. And it's hot because it's made from metal, and they live in a, not safe situation.
Rồi ngày đang như bà riêng bọc ai bọc ăn sân tới dân đi tới bò ngày nào tới đã bọc kia đã mong đọc mình đọc bàn cồn màu bàn bài hộp từ cho nốt ban mở chiêng ngày nào ban pump 7,000 màu cha bao nhiêu ban mà sân bọc ai có nhom ban channel hay nghi sưu lại cồn ban tài riêng ban ấy phong.
To earn more extra income to support her family, Moch right now she doing a small business by doing laundry washing by hand, but she cannot provide a good equality service to her customer. That is why she want to get a washing machine so that she can get a better service to all her customer. We want to raise $3,000 to build her house and buy washing machine to her. Can you make her dream possible? Thank you so much.